So hi folks, whenever you have a new Toyota generation, for example from 18, any kind of Toyota from 18 and above, and whenever you see that engine maintenance require, even you already change the oil and reset the oil life, and when you see that, okay, you gotta go scan, go to a mechanics or go to a dealership to scan, because this is the code shown. Where's the camera focus? Okay, P26811. It's a coolant bypass valve circuit. Okay, and I'm gonna show you where it is. That's this guy. That's this guy. I'm gonna replace it. Okay, you can see that the one for the connector, not the one. First of all, we gotta remove the bone that holding this one by feeling the one that underneath this one, okay, but in the middle. All right, so that we can remove this bolt. So it's a 12mm bolt. So one, sorry, that's one already loose, so we can see the connector clearly. But I recommend to remove this one first, and then we can see the way up the connector, and then remove the connector or disconnect the connector. Then we can have room to disconnect the connector, and then remove the 12mm bolts down there. Next thing is disconnect the upper hose by popping up the maybe the clamp like that, okay, and then just wiggle and pull the hose out. So after taking that out, we're gonna compare the old one to the new one. If everything is the same, especially the fitting, okay, and then put everything back in the reverse order. So after that, we're gonna purge the air out of this cooling system, okay, by turning the heat on full blast. Alright, no more code, no more message. Alright, so we made it. Ping, thank you.